Hey guys, so we're back on the van maintenance today. Today's project is on our Dometic rollout awning. So during one of the trips, we've had one of the handles snap off, one of the release handles on the side here for the height of the awning snap off. Obviously due to age or what have you, or been a bit rough with it. So I literally just Googled these. You can get them from all the good places, but I got this online through eBay from Caravan RV. So Alan and Janet, on the Sunshine Victoria. Well done, no complaints here. That's fantastic, fast delivery. They got that to me pretty quick. I just Googled it, got the right dimensions and measurements, and here it is. So what I've done is, actually I'll mention something here. You get the rivets with this as well. Now I've got a bunch of rivets, but these are obviously the correct rivets, so we'll get into that in a second. We'll put those over there. Now, I've just got this relaxed. You heard there it click into a spot. I've just got it relaxed down on the stop here. So it's actually it's not doing any, it's not in any of the holes or anything. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna select a drill to drill this out. Now, these are aluminium rivets, and I'm just gonna choose a drill that is slightly bigger than the hole, and I do that to first of all take the top off the rivet, right? So then I know what I'm dealing with. So this is a 6mm, and I reckon this rivet, this is probably a 5mm rivet. Yep. Okay, it's 5mm. So I'm gonna put a 6mm on the top here, and I'm not gonna go too wild with it. There we go. So as soon as that, sometimes you gotta just give it a bit of a finagle. I've just roughed up the top of that rivet head. There we go. Sometimes you can get, sometimes it goes a little bit smoother than that, but for now, we might go back to the 5mm and just go all the way through. There we go, beautiful. Huh, popped off nicely. That's great. It's a bit of a trap for young players there. That cavity doesn't go all the way through, and the rivet and the screw holes aren't all the way through there. So that came all the way out, that's perfect. So I'm just gonna check the size of those holes with these rivets. Yep, that's neat. So I don't actually have to drill the new rivet holes. So what we'll do is, we'll get our trusty rivet gun out. Make sure we're set to a good diameter of rivet. Yep, that's going to be that's perfect. That's already set up perfect. So now we're just going to make sure that's the right orientation and fits in nicely. I wanted to clip into a hole there, but I've just adjusted it out a little bit. Yep, that's great. I'm going to put that rivet in there. Oh, you wouldn't read about it, would you? That rivet gun is not narrow enough to go in there. Let's try this one. I've got two rivet guns here. That's why I've got this second rivet gun here. Yep, this one will get it. Okay, so I'm going to put that bottom one in as well. I'm actually going to sit that up on it. It keeps wanting to pop out. I'm just going to sit that up on so that's latched into a hole. You heard it click there. Now, I've lost my second rivet there somewhere. Yep. Just here like this. I'm going to put that one in the bottom hole to keep it located. Then I'm going to send this top one home. Okay, here we go. There we go, make sure it's there. Start the rivet off. Make sure it's still located in the right spot. Oh yeah, baby. Just move that out of the way. So we've got a fresh go at the bottom one. Well, that's always the way, isn't it? These things can be painful. All right, we're good to go. Now, I'm gonna have to pull that all the way up. I'm going to have to pull that all the way up to get it out of the way for the rivet there. Now it's relaxed back down. The wind's coming up. Making sure I'm pushing in, getting that located in the right spot. And here I go with the rivet. Beautiful. So that was something to note. I've got 2 rivet guns just for the chance, just because I've had them for ages, and I think I may have actually bought different ones for doing different jobs. This one has that narrow head on it, so just be careful there. Any more than that on the top there, and I wouldn't have got that rivet done up. Wouldn't have got that rivet pinched, so that's great. All right, so quick test run. That locks in, perfect. Okay. There we go, and we're back on track. Okay, so a couple of tricks for young players there. Just make sure you're not going to just plough that drill right through, and make sure, you know, I really made sure I had the right drill bits there and everything, and that rivet gun's going to be a bit of a trick. So yeah, if you break one of these handles off, and I'll put a link to these guys, Caravan Caraparts RV out of Sunshine, Victoria. So how's that help somebody? Good luck with your travels. Happy projecting.